We take a hands-on look at the Keurig K-Express Coffee Maker, a compact and affordable single-serve machine that delivers fast, flavorful coffee at the push of a button. Designed for convenience and simplicity, the K-Express features a strong brew setting that intensifies the flavor of your coffee for a bolder, more robust taste. Whether you prefer an 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup, the K-Express has you covered with 3 brew size options to suit your mood or mug. With its 42-ounce removable water reservoir, you can make up to 4 cups before needing a refill, great for busy mornings or small households. It also brews quickly, delivering hot, fresh coffee in just minutes. The removable drip tray fits travel mugs up to 7.4 inches tall, making it perfect for coffee on the go. Energy efficiency is built in with an auto-off feature that powers down the machine 5 minutes after your last brew to help save electricity. Plus, it's compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter sold separately, so you can brew your favorite ground coffee as well. If you're looking for a no-fuss, strong-performing coffee maker, the Keurig K-Express is worth checking out.